How's he doing?
He has a burp job, if that's what you mean. Trying to get his back straighter and not so slunched over. But he's like...
He does not like the light.
He wants to throw his head backwards. So it's like I can't straighten him up too much, otherwise he'd be trying to... See?
Mm-hmm.
He'd be trying to control. Hello.
Yeah, but you gotta beat the burp out.
You want to take over, Kyle?
Mm-hmm.
Well, put your camera on the stand, make it record at your angle, and come take over. Sure.
You're not doing a bad job. You're not. It's that you're doing everything right, but you're doing everything not.
Namby-pamby.
That's the word I'm looking for. Let me see if I can get. Alright, let's try that. Watch. I'm about getting the burp right now.
Because I already worked on most of it.
Okay.
It's like almost there, just ready to come out. Wait, you sit down, let me give them to you.
Okay. Hey, buddy.
Aww.
No, don't cry. I miss your mommy sometimes too. Alright, let's try this. Okay?
Go ahead, Flo. He's sleeping.
Yeah, he's figuring out this whole new light business. Dang, look what he got back here. He got more than me.
He'll grow out of that.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
His third name should have been Aesop.
His eyes are open now.
Look out to week.
There you go.
Oh my
I give you credit.
goodness.
That wasn't me. But I think you do need to be.
You tap him. What? 9-10 times and he
That was
belches.
fun. I won't take credit for that.
Okay, I brought that almost like 90% up there. You just finished the 10%.
Good job, buddy. Good job. That wasn't us. That was all you.
10 more? No, wait. 7 more?
7 more.
Milliliters.
Oh, no, I'm done with him. 'Cause I don't want to feed him for a whole hour.
That's what we've been doing. Feeding him for an hour.
Well, it's up to you, mommy. Are you done burping, buddy?
His eyes are open?
Yeah.
Try.
Try what? Feeding?
Just like at least.
Do you want to, or do you want me to?
You're the pro.
Yeah, but I'm not the pro. I'm just more aggressive. That's all. I'm making his eyes spread.
He'll be alright.
Alright, come on, buddy. Come on. He's done, but he doesn't want this. It's like, what more do you want from me?
Is mommy the better parent?
Of course. Mommy's got the good food. Not this bottle junk.
I'm just playing. I was gonna ask him yes questions because that's what he's saying yes. He's tightening up. Yeah, he's done. He's tightening up them lips.
Like this. Ready for bed, buddy? That's what you did. Good job. You did really good. Can you get his shirt?
We need to clean it. Because he dripped food on here a couple times.
See, he's calling for mommy.
Yes. Come here.
Oh.
you know what? We'll check on her out.